a video on how to use and navigate the settings and accessibility on your computer. To start off, go to the bottom of your search bar, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the search bar. Then type in settings and hit enter. The main things that you'll be using the settings for are in the system, personalization, and apps tabs. First, we will look over the system tab. Here, you can change the brightness for your display. You can change the size of texts. If things are a little too small on your screen, you can change that there. You can, in sound, you can change the volume. You can change the input of things in case you have like an external mic. You can look over your storage, see how much storage you have, and many other things, but those are the main ones. In personalization, you can change the background of your home screen. You can change the theme of your computer. You have many different options. You can add fonts in different typing apps, and in apps, click here. You get a list of all your apps, and if you want to, you can uninstall the apps that you don't need. So say, for example, you didn't want Adobe Creative Cloud, you just click on it, and then click uninstall. And then it'll walk you through the uninstallation process.